The day has finally come. Ladies and gentlemen, today we introduce the new Defender family to join our highly refined Range Rover and supremely versatile Discovery families. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's an honour for me to reveal the new Defender family. So, this is the new Defender 90. It measures just over 4.3 metres and it is the toughest, most capable Land Rover ever. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are the new Defender 110s. Now, the 110, now in most of the respects, the 90 and the 110 are the same design. Every element of the exterior design of these vehicles has been really carefully considered, all to reinforce the unique DNA of the new Defenders. And the interiors are equally as compelling. There'll be various versions at launch. These two vehicles here are called the First Edition, and this one here is the Defender X. Now, we've also developed 4 design packs to offer customers more choice and to cater for different lifestyle opportunities. And these design packs really do demonstrate the ability of the new Defender to change its personality while still retaining its design and engineering integrity. Here we have 2 of those design packs. This version here is the Adventure Pack, and it's presented here with the Red Cross livery. This year marks a 65-year partnership between the Red Cross and Land Rover, and the new Defender will play its role in supporting the Red Cross in its humanitarian activities. Over here, we have the Explorer Pack, and together with the Adventure, the Urban, and the Country, they represent the biggest collection of accessories we've ever created for a Land Rover product. And more importantly, they've all been designed and engineered in parallel with the core vehicle to ensure design and engineering integrity and Land Rover authenticity. So this is the commercial derivative of the 90, and a handsome thing it is too, with its white roof and white steel wheels. Yes, I said it as a designer. Steel wheels. They look fabulous on this car. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to say that at last, the Land Rover family is now complete. Thank you.